Hey, so good day everyone. Welcome to our channel today. And today we're going to be looking at something different. And what do I mean by something different? We're going to be looking at an app development software. But I don't know whenever we mention app development, whatever comes to your mind is coding and programming and all that. But no, this is a no-code tool which enables you to build your apps by visual representation. Alright, so you're going to be building your apps by visual representation. You're not going to be making use of any coding or programming. So this special tool I'm going to be introducing to you guys today is called Adalo. Alright, so with Adalo you can create complex and simple apps without writing a single line of code. Alright, so let me go into the Adalo straight away and show you guys. Okay, so this is the Adalo. Yeah, this is the Adalo interface. So basically, this is how your Adalo is supposed to be looking like. Okay, so we have the Adalo banner over here. You have the where you can toggle between your apps you've created, and you can also create another app. As you can see, I'm on the free version right now, so this is there. So if I am on the paid version, this one's show on yours, and this is for previewing. If you want to preview and to share a test app, and then this is for your account and settings and stuff like that. So well, that's by the way. So but first let me show you how this Adalo looks like. So first of all, we have the plus sign over here. So from this plus sign, okay, so let me not go into that first. So first of all, we have branding. So in branding in Adalo, you are able to choose the major colors you want to be displayed in your app. Okay, so for example, if you want to be running a restaurant app, what you might be having to choose probably red as your primary color, white as your secondary color, probably your background color, probably a deep tinge of orange, then your text color probably black or white, and then your fonts that you're going to be using all through your application. And then this is your screens. So various screens you can see I already have some set up already, which my team has been working on, right? So yeah, we have this already. So there's some screens as you can see. Yeah, so you can add screen, then you can add database. So in every Adalo app there's always a default database that cannot be deleted, which is the users. So in the users you can have the various properties. Each database can have various properties. And I also created um a personal I created a collection, sorry, a database collection. So so these are going to be very useful as you build your app. We have settings. From your settings you can choose your app name, your description, your app icon, which is your logo that we displayed. If you want to share the Adalo page banner, then you also have the app layout type. If you want them to view it on mobile devices only, if you want them to view it on mobile, tablet, and desktop. So I chose mobile devices. Display settings, you can also choose this, your app access, um, copy and delete your app, and also API keys. So with Adalo, you can drag and drop various components. As you can see, different various sections and features. Components, top marketplace components, private components, custom components, yeah, into your app for very easy use. Alright, so we also have the publishing part. So you can also publish your apps either as a web app, an Android app, or an iOS app. Also, from here you can see the analytics of your app. Alright, yeah, so you can see your analytics of your app. You want to see how your app is doing, how the users are interacting with it. Yeah, so basically you want to know the location of your users. Yeah, you can get all this from here. All right, then you can also keep in your version history. This is very useful for an app you want to keep on upgrading over time, probably from the alpha mode to beta testing to when you're releasing the full version of the app. and then the various upgrades that come in as the months roll by. So basically, you want to have your versions. You want to be able to see what you were doing 6 months behind, the changes and things like that. And then you can hire an expert. If you know you want to build probably an app for your business and you don't want to make mistakes or go through the stress of or using of doing it by yourself, probably you're very busy, probably you don't want to understand go through this stress, so you can team up with an Adalo expert. All right, so yeah, you can browse a list of experts that will help you with your apps. Also, if you as an organization or an individual running a business or a company want to launch an app, probably a restaurant launching a custom booking app or an e-commerce app or various types of apps, and you want to hire an expert, you don't know where to go to, well, I'm going to tell you to click the link in the description and you're going to book a meeting with one of our experts, and the expert is going to put you through all the steps. And if you're interested, also set up that app for you. The consultation is free. Well, that's by the way. And also, I would like you to like this video, share, comment if you've gotten any full information from it. And also, I would like to tell you to please press the subscribe button. Yeah, it does a lot for us and for the algorithm to push the video to other people that might need the video too. Alright, so thank you for your time. Till next time.